Buenos días, patriotas. Dear President, dear Santiago, thank you for your hospitality and thank you for organizing this remarkable event. Thank you. Dear colleagues, I'm truly honored to be here today, surrounded by genuine patriots, people who, despite being demonized and persecuted with fabricated charges, have ultimately been vindicated. If anything, what has led Europe to its current tragic state is the absence of leaders. There is a profound difference between a bureaucrat politician and a leader. As Talleyrand observed, I fear more an army of 100 sheep led by a lion than an army of 100 lions led by a sheep. He was so right. In this day and age, Europe is governed by weak politicians whose only concern is implementing delusional agendas and sacrificing member states' national identities on the altar of a new world order. Consider their legacy. Where do I really begin? What they leave behind is, to begin with, an obsession with green transition that has led to crashing energy bills. Furthermore, excessive taxation that strangles businesses and drives the middle class into poverty. Moreover, a woke agenda threatening our traditional values and being imposed on young children. And on top of everything else, uncontrolled illegal immigration turning entire cities into ghettos and threatening our safety. These criminal mistakes constitute their legacy, but every action causes a reaction, and reason will definitely prevail. It's only a matter of time. Donald Trump's re-election heralds a new golden age, but also the Western world's final opportunity. Those who mocked us and accused us of Trumpism now try to hide, but we won't let them forget the damage they have done on our Europe. They will be held accountable for the destruction they have brought. We need a Europe that will defend its borders by any means necessary. That respects its traditions and identity, a Europe that supports its families and businesses, a Europe that embraces its Orthodox heritage and Christian roots. And we will achieve this with the support of you, of people who thirst for change and a return to the values and ideals with which we have been brought up. Greece, the cradle of civilization and democracy, faces demographic extinction due to those serving globalization and population replacement through illegal immigration. But the message from the Greek people grows stronger every day, and it is very, very clear. We demand change. We want our homeland strong. Greece, which stands as Europe's frontier, will rise again stronger. And we will not beg for help, but we will stand tall as we have always done in difficult times. United as we are today and loyal to our commitments and the values we serve, it's time to reclaim our homelands. It's time to become strong nation states, and it's time to make Europe great again. Thank you very much.